For the first time in 670 days, the Toronto Blue Jays will be playing here at the Rogers Centre. Because of the ongoing pandemic and border restrictions, they've had to play their last season and a half in the United States. On Friday, 15,000 fans, including 250 frontline workers, will be in the stands.
We have implemented some new COVID protocols. There'll be physically distanced lines, same on the concourse. In the stands will be pretty similar, that there are standard seats that were sold and physically distanced, but of course everyone will be required to wear their masks.
A couple other changes: they'll be cashless at concession stands and have your phones charged.
Mobile or digital ticketing is the way to get into the ballpark this year, and we're doing that both to limit contact and also for contact tracing purposes. We ask that each fan have their ticket pulled up on their phone prior to coming in. At the gates, fans are also going to have a verbal symptom screening to make sure that everybody is feeling comfortable coming back into the ballpark.
On the eve of them playing their first game in Toronto since the fall of 2019, the Jays crew are putting the final touches on the Rogers Centre to get a game day ready, from new turf to new seats.
So we've actually expanded the dugouts probably about 4 to 5 feet wider. In addition to that, it helps line up with our new netting system, something that people haven't seen yet. This netting was installed for the 2020 season. Unfortunately, we had no fans that year, so this is the first time the fans going to see our extended netting as well. This is something that the MLB and most MLB teams have done, is they extended the netting down in the areas where it is batted balls and bats are most likely to enter the stands.
The Blue Jays spent last year and part of this year in Buffalo, hoping for that day to finally come that they can play again in Canada.
That was challenging because we were not only getting a field ready in Buffalo and working the homestands in Buffalo, we had to come between. When the team went on the road there, we were back here getting this field ready.
For the fans in the stands here on Friday, they're going to see a lot different lineup than what we saw back in 2019, the last time the Jays played here at the Rogers Centre. This was the Jays lineup from September 29th, 2019, the last time they played in Toronto. Bo Bichette was injured. Now these are the players still on the roster, and this is the projected lineup for tomorrow. When the Jays look up in the stands, they will see 15,000 fans wearing a special home shirt to mark the occasion, as well as a special pregame ceremony.
There are some special big pitches. So we had our 4 All-Stars go to the All-Star game this year, and we have some All-Stars from our community that will be throwing the first pitch to those All-Stars. One fan favorite is Home Plate Lady is going to throw the first pitch, representing all of us who have been just waiting for our team to get home.
And starting today, from Fredericton to Yellowknife, a number of cities across the country will be raising a Blue Jays flag to help celebrate Canada's only Major League Baseball team's return home. For City News, I'm Lindsay Dunn.